sees the story of a brother who slept and woke up in Foreverland. He looked around, nothing's familiar.
From some period of weeks now, and I want to believe you are laying your hand on all what we have been doing. We have been giving you the step-by-step method of how to do your circular, go about the involute, circle involute, the square involute. Now, and yeah, so today we want to look at ellipse and talk about assemble and spiral also. So these are what we have done so far. Now, the first thing you need to do as usual is to draw your circle. Just open your compass to any distance of your shoulder, which is going to be your way there. Then you draw your perfect circle. So this is the first thing you need to do. And all you have is step one. Draw a circle. Make the circle neat. Make sure that your pencil have nothing like carbon on the map. So straight line to have sharp sound. Okay, that your work can be neat at the end of the day. Now the next thing you want to do is step two. You divide the circle into four equal parts. Divide the circle into four equal parts. Divide the circle into four equal parts. So I want to believe you can do that. It's very easy to do. Just take your 60 set square and in conjunction with your 45 set square, then draw a horizontal line and perpendicular line. Make sure that you have been able to divide it into a proper four equal size. So that is your step two. That is what you need to do. Step two, divide the circle into four equal parts. So when you have been able to do that, now you want to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Now I want to believe if you have been doing it by now, you must be able to divide your circle into 12 equal parts. I'm going to repeat myself again. You know the four cardinal points that we've divided the circle into. You step on number 3 here. That is before we number this one, just step on the four cardinal points with the same radius of your compass, arc up and down. Move to the next point of your cardinal point of the way you have divided the circle. Just do the same thing, arc up and down. Move to the left side, arc up and down. Then move to the downward, that is the one that is showing the south. Then arc and work arc at the same time. Before you know it, you have what? Double arc on each gradient of the circle. Then join them to the center of the circle. Then you have been able to divide your circle into 12 equal parts. And you see the way I have numbered my own. My number is starting from north, going clockwise. Now step 4, what you need to do, you see, now all those number, you see 1 and 11 is the same thing. 10 and 2 is the same thing. 9 and 3 is the same thing. 8 and 4 is the same thing. The 7 and 5 is the same thing. Why 6? So what you need to do, please be very careful. You can see a perfect straight line here, horizontal line. Now draw horizontal line. Just draw it like that. Then draw all your horizontal line. Make sure that the distance from one to other is the same thing. You can see that the distance starting from number 6 and 7 and 5, you can see it, everything is perfect straight line. So that is what you are going to do for step number 4. Be very careful when you are drawing this line. If your line is bending at the tips or towards the ending, you won't be able to get the proper intersection of your ellipse. So this is it. 11 and 1, join them together, draw a straight line. So now the next thing you want to do is step 5. Now all you need to do, just look for a covenant distance a little bit out of the circle. Then draw a straight line, a vertical line or a perpendicular line. Mark is 0. Then any distance of your choice, if you want to take the division on the circumference of circle is allowed, just divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Divide that line into 12 equal parts, then join them together. So that means that you are having a line horizontal and vertical line for what, from 1. All you need to do now is what, you will see that our last construction, which is going to show our ellipse, is the point of intersection, that where you have horizontal line 1 and vertical line 1, you are up here. You can see where this one, number 1, is going to come here. Number 2, we go to line 2 of what, horizontal. Vertical line number 3, we have a point of intersection with what, with line number 3. So this is what you need to do for step 5. Now by the time you have been able to get it, I'm telling you, you are good, you are good, you are good. You are about to get your ellipse, which is the final construction for what you need to do next. So when you have been able to get it, all you need to do, just look for 1 1, vertical line 1, horizontal line 1. Where are they meeting? Arc it. Vertical line 2, horizontal line 2. Take it also. Vertical line 3 and horizontal line 3, you what, you pin it or mark it. Vertical line 4, and that is what you do up to 4. Now look at it, this is the construction of ellipse. Now you can see my own. Now we have pitch 1, pitch 2. I've tried to divide it into 2. That is, I have what is 0 to 12, that is the first pitch. I have another is 0 to what, to 12, another second pitch. You can do it, it depends on how many pitch you are asked to what to do. Okay, now you can see 0 and 12 is the same thing. Horizontal line 1 and vertical line, you can see the point of intersection up to number 6. You can see the line, then it's going back. So the first thing you must understand is the first intersection from is 0 to 6, you are going to have a what, a curve. Now when you want to draw the second intersection of 6 to 12, you do a what, a broken line. A broken line, so join all those arcs together with a what, with a broken line. By the time you step on what, 12, you are done with pitch 1. Maybe you want to do the pitch 2, you start from 0 to 6 on the what, there is not going to be a broken line, but it's going to be a what, a straight line with a curve. Then when you get to number 6, there the next one is what, is a broken line. And so I want to believe you've been able to what, have understanding of how to do this. Please, all you need to do, just practice. Go back and what, pause it, look for step 1, follow it up to step 5. When you can follow it to step 5, then I'm telling you, you are good to go. You are good to go. So I want to thank you for listening. God bless you. Till we meet another time, it's always my pleasure to what, to impart you guys. Be good, and I want to believe you are keeping safe. Okay, I love you guys. Be informed, because the amount of information you have determine how